Today I'm going to be showing you how you can upload a song to FreshTunes in 2023, how you can ensure you don't get any errors, and how you can ensure that your song gets uploaded to Spotify, Apple Music, and all of that stuff first time. If this video goes on to help you, please do drop a like, it really helps me out. So FreshTunes is a great place if you want to upload your music for free to the likes of Spotify and so on. And sometimes you can get error messages when you try and upload your track. This can be for a whole host of reasons. Today I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make sure you don't get any error messages. So firstly, on your FreshTunes account, select under albums, then select choose files and select the song you want to upload, and it has to be in the .wav, FLAC or other formats listed right here on the screen. It can't be MP3, so double check that first off. Once that song is uploaded, you will then be given a new screen where you can subsequently upload a profile picture for the song. You can upload the name of what you're going to call the song, but this is all for a single. Often the errors come when you're uploading a single. So firstly, we need an album cover. Now when it comes to the album cover, your name, your artist name, has to be on the album cover, and the exact name of the song also has to be on that album cover. So my song right now is called California Beach. So on my album cover, it says at the top there, California Beach. So California Beach, for example. The artist name is Dylan, and it says don't use capitals here, and so on. So I'm not going to use capitals for my artist name. Now you can see Dylan's at the bottom of the profile picture there, of the song profile picture, and California Beach is at the top. It says album. You know, even if you're uploading a single like I am right now, then this is all you need to fill out. You don't need to change it from album to single. You can't just leave it like this. Select the genre, select the price, select the language. Let's just say, for example, this one. We're going to select the release date for the future, most probably, unless you want to upload it right now. So I'll select it for then. And then when it comes down to the name again, you want to type in exactly the same as we typed up the top there. Carbon copy. Same for the artist, carbon copy. And then you can add in, you know, multiple people for the other components. I'm just making names up now. Then you select your language. You select if it's explicit or not. If it's got a swear word in, this has to be checked if you have got swear words in, otherwise you will get errors. And then you select all of the stores that you want it to be available on. And as you can see right here, I've got pretty much all of them ticked. And then what you'd select is complete. And it might give you another error. Then you can look up and see what is that error. And for me it says duplicate album because I've already got the exact same album and song out right now. However, if you follow my process today and it's a new song, you won't get the error message I got, but it'll work. It's just all about making sure that this matches this, your artist name match up, making sure that your profile picture has the title of the song in it and your artist name word for word. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. I've got a whole host of other tutorials on my channel, and you know, as always, joining the channel to show your support is always appreciated. Thank you very much.